Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is an easy way to automate the lights on the exterior of your house, or maybe even on the inside, because it is a dusk till dawn sensor. So this was sent over by a company called DEWENWILS. It's going to come in this little box right here. Very easy to install. Naturally, it's going to include instructions, but we're showing you all the details in the video. So this comes as a 2-pack, and as you can see, there are these little socket extenders. Now this is gonna fit your standard E26 light bulb. So just take your standard light bulb and then you're just going to screw it in and you're good to go. Whether it's a style light bulb or whether it's a floodlight, you're gonna be good to go. Now on the one side is you're gonna notice a little black dot. That is the dusk till dawn sensor. But what's cool about this is not only is that sensor going to automatically turn it on and off depending on the light levels, you're gonna be able to rotate this 360 degrees, so that way that sensor is not facing the wall and that it's facing the area where it's going to get the most light, so you get accurate readings. And how that works is there is a little spring-loaded end tip here, and you're just going to twist this all the way in, and it gives you that little bit of room to slightly rotate this while still making contact to get you your power and make sure the sensor is optimally placed. Cool little feature. Now to give you an idea of the kind of extension piece here, the size, it is about 1.57 inches in length, and then it's about 2 inches diameter on the widest spot. So it's not gonna add a big, huge difference in length when you put this on your fixture, which is nice. Now this is obviously going to work with all bulb types. So whether you are utilizing incandescent, a halogen, fluorescent, or which is most common now, the LED lights. Now another nice feature that this has in it, it does have a 60-second delay. So let's say you are getting in and all of a sudden your car lights hit it, or there's a flash of lightning or something. It's not gonna make the light flicker. It's gonna activate that 60-second delay, so that way it knows like, hey, if it's still bright after 60 seconds, then it will turn off. That's a really nice feature because it's gonna help with the life of your bulbs, and it's not gonna have that flickering aspect of it. But overall, if you are looking for some great dusk till dawn light bulb extenders, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.